Have you ever wondered how the world's biggest problems could become opportunities to make a difference and a living? Some of the most successful businesses didn't just solve everyday needs, they addressed global challenges. In this video, we'll explore 3 business ideas inspired by current world problems. These ideas don't just have the potential to generate income, they also offer a way to create real, meaningful change. Stick around, and let's dive into how you can turn challenges into opportunities. First, the Food Rescue Volunteer Network. Food insecurity is a growing crisis. While millions of people go hungry every day, tons of perfectly edible food is wasted by grocery stores, restaurants, and households. This mismatch creates an incredible opportunity to help those in need while building a sustainable business. The idea is simple. Build a platform or network that connects food donors like grocery stores or caterers with volunteers who can deliver the food to shelters, food banks, or people in need. Apps like Too Good To Go have shown how technology can minimize food waste. But this concept takes it further by empowering local communities to play an active role. You could start small by partnering with local food businesses and charities. Over time, you could scale up by creating an app to coordinate pickups, track inventory, and provide real-time updates for volunteers. And if you're wondering how this makes money, consider grants, sponsorships, or even charging a small fee for premium coordination services. Think about the social impact this business can have. You'd not only be reducing food waste, but also addressing hunger in your local community. Many food rescue initiatives have highlighted that one of the biggest challenges is logistics, and with a well-structured network, you'd be solving a critical pain point. This makes your business not just about profits, but about creating measurable, positive change. To expand your reach, you can include educational programs to raise awareness about food waste and teach people how to repurpose leftover food at home. Hosting workshops or creating online content can build a loyal following while also contributing to the solution. These initiatives make your platform more than a service. It becomes a movement that people want to support and be part of. And don't forget technology's role. AI or machine learning could be used to predict food surplus trends and connect donors with recipients in real time. Innovations like this can make your system efficient, scalable, and attractive to investors who are looking for impactful solutions. Next, let's talk about health and disease prevention. The COVID-19 pandemic was a wake-up call for all of us. It showed the world how unprepared we were for a health crisis. But with every challenge comes opportunity. Businesses focused on health and disease prevention are more critical and profitable than ever. You could start by offering products or services that promote better hygiene, like eco-friendly sanitization supplies, or even subscription boxes for immunity-boosting supplements and wellness products. Another idea is to create educational content or workshops that teach people how to prevent common illnesses through proper nutrition, exercise, and hygiene practices. The key is accessibility. Think about telehealth platforms that provide affordable consultations or apps that help people track their health habits. These types of ventures don't just solve problems, they empower individuals to take charge of their well-being, which is a market with endless potential. A significant gap in the market lies in preventive care for underserved populations. Low-income communities often face barriers to accessing health services. If your business model incorporates affordable solutions like mobile health clinics or free wellness workshops, you're tapping into an unmet need while creating goodwill and long-term loyalty. Another idea is leveraging wearable tech. Fitness trackers, for example, could be paired with an app that offers personalized health recommendations. This bridges the gap between technology and health while giving users actionable insights to improve their lifestyle. Monetizing this could involve selling devices or offering a premium subscription for advanced analytics. Partnerships are also key. Collaborate with schools, community centers, or even corporate wellness programs to extend your reach. These partnerships can position your business as a trusted player in the health space while providing a steady income stream. Finally, disaster preparedness and response. Every year, we see headlines about hurricanes, wildfires, floods, and other disasters disrupting millions of lives. And while governments and NGOs do their best, there's often a gap between what people need and what's available. That's where you come in. One business idea is creating a subscription box for disaster preparedness. It could include essentials like first aid kits, non-perishable food, water filtration systems, and survival tools. To make it unique, add a personal touch, like customizable kits based on your region's most common disasters. Another angle is to develop an app or service that connects communities during disasters. Imagine an app where people can request or offer help, like transportation, food, or shelter during emergencies. The app could also provide real-time updates, evacuation routes, and weather warnings. Revenue could come from premium features, sponsorships, or partnerships with local governments. Disaster preparedness isn't just about products, it's about education. You could organize workshops or webinars teaching people how to prepare for various scenarios, from power outages to evacuations. Not only does this create an additional revenue stream, but it also establishes you as an authority in the space. Another untapped opportunity is focusing on specific groups like the elderly or people with disabilities, who often face unique challenges during disasters. Tailoring products or services to these populations shows thoughtfulness and fills a critical gap in the market. Finally, consider collaborations with emergency services. By working closely with firefighters, paramedics, or local governments, you could offer integrated solutions that improve community resilience. These partnerships can lead to contracts, grants, or endorsements that elevate your business. And there you have it. 3 powerful business ideas inspired by real-world problems. Building a food rescue volunteer network to tackle food insecurity, innovating in health and disease prevention to keep communities safe, and leading disaster preparedness and response to help people when they need it most. These ideas aren't just about making money, they're about making an impact. And the best part? You don't have to wait for the perfect moment to start. Which of these ideas resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're excited about turning problems into opportunities, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because your next big idea could be the change the world is waiting for.